Hi guys, in this video we talk about the Oppo Reno 11 Pro versus Vivo S18 Pro. The Vivo S18 Pro launched on December 2023 with a price tag of $500, and the Oppo Reno 11 Pro launched on November 2023 with a price tag of $500. The weight: the Vivo S18 Pro 188 gram and the Oppo Reno 11 Pro have 190 grams. The build: the both device built with front and back glass and the plastic frame. The both mobile come with dual SIM supported. Let's talk about the display of these devices. The Vivo S18 Pro come with AMOLED 1 billion color display and the Oppo Reno 11 Pro come with OLED 1 billion color. The screen size is same and the resolution of the devices is Vivo S18 Pro 1260 by 2800 and the Oppo Reno 11 1240 by 2772 pixels. And the PPI density of these devices is same. The refresh rate: the Vivo S18 Pro have 120 Hz refresh rate and the Oppo Reno 11 Pro have 120 Hz. Screen to body ratio is same. And the protection of these devices: the Vivo S18 Pro have Gorilla Glass and the Oppo Reno 11 Pro have Gorilla Glass. The brightness of these devices: the Vivo S18 Pro have 2800 nits peak brightness and the Oppo Reno 11 Pro have 1600 nits peak brightness. Let's talk about the camera of these devices. The Vivo S18 Pro have triple camera setup. The main sensor 50 megapixel wide, 50 megapixel ultra wide and the 12 megapixel telephoto, and also record 4K 60 fps video. And the Oppo Reno 11 Pro have triple camera setup. The main sensor 50 megapixel wide, 32 megapixel telephoto and the 8 megapixel ultra wide. It's also record 4K 60 fps video. The selfie camera of these devices: the Vivo S18 Pro have 50 megapixel dual LED flash HDR 4K 30 fps video recording selfie camera, and the Oppo Reno 11 Pro have 32 megapixel panorama HDR 1080 by 30 fps video record selfie camera. Let's talk about the platform of these devices. The Vivo S18 Pro come with octa-core Cortex-X3 CPU and the Oppo Reno 11 Pro have octa-core CPU Cortex-X2. And the chipset of these devices: MediaTek 9200 plus 4nm chipset in Vivo S18 Pro and the Snapdragon 8 plus Gen 1 4nm processor in Oppo Reno 11 Pro. And the GPU of these devices: the Vivo S18 Pro come with Moteless G715 and the Oppo Reno 11 Pro come with Adreno 730. The both devices based on Android 14. The memory of these devices: the Vivo S18 Pro have 16GB RAM and the Oppo Reno 11 have 12GB of RAM and also have 512GB storage, and not available any SD card. The battery: the Vivo S18 Pro have 5000 mAh battery and the Oppo Reno 11 Pro have 4700 mAh battery. The Vivo S18 Pro have 80 watt fast charging and the Oppo Reno 11 Pro have 80 watt fast charging. The both devices don't have any wireless charging and the both devices come with 5G network supported. The result: the Vivo S18 Pro got 26 points and the Oppo Reno 11 got 20 points.